Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on Google Translate on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on Google Translate on Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on Settings. Now click on Languages. Now scroll down. Now you will find an option here, use Google Translate. Just click here to turn it on. Now again scroll down. Look, when on, Google Translate will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. It can also automatically translate sites. Just translate into the language. Now select the language in which you want to translate your favorite site. Now select the language. You can select any language from this language list. And if you want, you can add automatically translate these languages. You can add language from here. I am selecting English. Now English language will be translated into Bangla. Now I am going to check itsystemadmin.net. Look, it's prompt me to translate into Bengali, and look, the whole website is translated in Bengali. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.